Hello guys, today I will teach you how to install packages and how to set up packages on Termux. In the previous video we look at how we can install Termux application on our phone, whereas we install from AirDrop and not from Play Store. So now we want to know how to install packages. Then we can install and set up other tools such as Hydra, Metasploit, Routersploit, Android, and other popular tools like CV Shark, ToolX, etc. So let us get started now. So here we are underneath Termux Sessions. Don't worry, the Termux screen won't look like this. I have customized my Termux. Later in the video I will tell you how to do this. So to install any package we have two options, which is apt or pkg. Now apt is the old version people usually use before, which stands for advanced package 2. So apt install. I want to install a package now. Let me say cmatrix. apt install cmatrix. Just make sure your internet data is on. So make sure internet is on. Then after typing apt install cmatrix, click on your enter. You can see I have already installed cmatrix before, so you can see it told me that cmatrix is already the newest version, so I don't need to install that again. So let's assume I want to install a package named Perl. So let me say apt install Perl. You can see it gives an error. So this is where the problem comes in. So I told you apt is an old technique of installing stores on Termux. So that's why pkg is the new version of apt. pkg is the new version of apt. So I can easily say pkg install Perl and everything will go well, like everything will run very well. We just have to wait for the terminal to get the software for us. So you can see Perl is already installing. So Perl is already installing. Then after this, we will look at how to install popular tools such as Clang, Python, Widget, Call, Git, and other stores and other packages. Now let us install other packages. So you can use, like, at this place we have an error that's unable to locate package Perl. So another technique to use is to use apt get install. apt get install we fix the error, and if that doesn't fix the error, you can later use pkg install so package. So now both apt and pkg have other commands than install. So let us look at other commands. We can try running apt app. So you can see, just zoom in, you can see we have apt list, we have list, we have search, we have show, we have install, we have reinstall, we have remove, we have auto remove, update and upgrade, full upgrade, edit source, and satisfy. So now the common practice for Termux is that whenever you open a new session in Termux, The first command you should run is apt update and apt upgrade. Apt update and apt upgrade. Now most of the time this command doesn't work for some people and it will work for some people, so I want to know if this command will work for me right now. But most of the time it doesn't work for some people. Okay, right now it works for me. So the -y there simply means that yes, as long as I didn't put -y, it will prompt me that did I want to continue, so either yes or no. So the -y simply means yes and the -n means no. So let us try that again with pkg. So package update and package upgrade. And I don't want to use -y, so you guess what I'm saying here. So our repo is loading, everything is working. You see that it prompts for a question, do you want to continue? So I will input y or n, y for yes and n for no. So I'm inputting y as the answer to the prompt, so which will make the terminal to continue the operation. So before the end of this operation, I want to tell you that while your terminal screen is busy like this, you can slide in from the left and open a new session and continue with other things you have to do, like listing the directory, listing of directories, then editing stuff, maybe like nano it.txt. So you can edit other stuff and save. Then you can also exit the terminal, the session with the exit command and close and come back to the other session that is still running. So after this, we are going to set up our terminal by installing packages that we need most. So right now I want to install pkg, install clang, python 2. Sorry, I made a mistake there. Python 2, then the latest version of Python. Then I want to install Ruby, Perl. You have installed this before. Then wget, call, cmatrix, feedlets, toilets, and man. It's not by force you install all these packages, but as time goes on, your terminal might later need this package for other tools to run. Later on, I will tell you the difference between a package and a tool. So right now, I want to pass the -y so that the terminal doesn't prompt for yes or no again, because we are sure of what we want to do. And before I forget, I have to install php 2. So -y and wait for the terminal to complete the operation. You can see I've already installed these packages, so the terminal told me that I have the latest version of the package. On your own screen, it will take a while to install the package, especially if you are installing for the first time. So it will take a while for the terminal to finish setting up and installing the package. So that's it for this video. I think you've learned something. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.